I thought it would be helpful to review my 40 years in the financial services industry. In June of 1969, I entered this field focusing mostly on business and estate planning. But in the early 70s, we evolved into lifetime financial planning issues, reviewing investments, retirement and education strategies, and so on. In the 70s, we had a period of relative tranquility, but in the 80s, we experienced a period of higher inflation, hyperinflation actually, where we had double-digit inflation rates, mortgage rates of 18%, and interest rates on money market accounts of 18 to 20%, which was very good for retirees who were looking for stable, safe income, but for young people who were looking to buy their first home, it was not a happy time. In the 1990s, things settled down with interest rates, but the stock market heated up unbelievably, leading to a period of rapid increases in equity values into the early 2000s. What's been most remarkable, and what most of us are really focused on, is what's happened over the last 10 years. Because in March of 2000, we saw the crash of the high-tech boom and equity returns plummeting by 40%. We were told by experts, or so-called experts, that this was perfectly normal and happened about once every generation. And in fact, the recession of 2000 through October of 2002 was over in a relatively short period of time, and in the ensuing 5 years, running till October of 2007, we recovered all of those 40% losses from early in the new millennium. In October of 2007, we were fully expecting a correction after a rapid bull market recovery over the preceding 5 years, but nobody expected the deep correction and almost depression-like situation we've encountered for the last year and a half. Now the markets seem to be showing signs of a recovery again, but I don't believe we're necessarily out of the woods. We've been telling clients that we've been in a period of widespread uncertainty in the financial markets for the period from 2000 through 2007. Now the widespread uncertainty is even greater. We're optimistic for the long term, but still greatly concerned about where the financial markets are. I have evolved my practice from a broad-based financial services business to focusing on retirement planning for baby boomers. In addition to having been a certified financial planner and a chartered financial consultant for many years, I more recently became a certified senior advisor, and just within the last month, a chartered retirement planning consultant. I've worked very closely with baby boomers. I'm at the leading edge of the baby boomers myself, having been born in 1946. And I think what we've experienced financially and economically over the last year and a half is life-changing for many of us. Hopefully we'll survive this period, but many who are contemplating retirement will put their retirement off, and all of us who are in our 50s or 60s need good financial guidance from a professional who can steer them through these very uncertain, uncharted waters. We're all in this boat together, but hopefully we're going to come out of it sometime soon. Just by way of summary, in the year 2006, I finished my 4th book entitled The Future for Baby Boomers as I See It. I think it may be necessary, as we are now in June of 2009, to think about a sequel to that book, and I guess it should be called What Now?